In this quick LearnWorlds and HubSpot tutorial, I'll show you how to set up an automated workflow between the two platforms, saving you time and streamlining your processes. Whether you're managing an online course, automating email campaigns, or just looking for a better way to connect your systems, I'll walk you through how to do it, step by step. First things first, let's talk about what you need to get started. You'll need accounts for both LearnWorlds and HubSpot. If you don't have one yet, go ahead and sign up for both and make sure you have admin access. Without that, you won't be able to integrate the two platforms. Next thing, let's look at how LearnWorlds handles automation. LearnWorlds is a fantastic platform for creating and selling online courses, but where it falls short for some users is its limited CRM features. While you can create courses and track progress, the built-in marketing automation tools aren't as robust as they could be. This is where HubSpot comes in. HubSpot offers much more powerful marketing automation tools and a comprehensive CRM to manage your leads and customers. So, how do we connect them? First, log into your HubSpot account and go to the Integration section. You'll need to search for LearnWorlds and choose the integration option to connect both platforms. Once connected, HubSpot can start collecting information from LearnWorlds like course progress, signups, and other activity. The third thing, once the integration is set up, you'll want to create your first automated workflow in HubSpot. For example, you could create an email sequence that triggers when someone completes a course module or signs up for a new course. HubSpot allows you to create custom workflows based on these triggers, and this is where it gets powerful. You can send personalized emails, reminders, and even update your CRM with course completion data. Next thing, let's move on to automating actions inside LearnWorlds. If you're hoping for some sophisticated, native automations within LearnWorlds itself, you'll find the options pretty basic compared to HubSpot. But with HubSpot handling the heavy lifting, LearnWorlds can focus on delivering course content, while HubSpot manages the communication side of things. So, make sure to leverage HubSpot's powerful marketing automation to the fullest. The fourth thing, after you set up your workflow, don't forget to test everything. Test the triggers, test the emails, and test the overall experience. This is critical because automation should be seamless, and you want to make sure your leads are getting the right messages at the right time. Testing ensures that you're sending the right content to the right people based on their actions in LearnWorlds. Now, a quick word about both platforms. LearnWorlds, while solid for online courses, has room for improvement when it comes to integrations and automation. It's a great platform for content, but if you're serious about marketing automation, HubSpot is the go-to tool. HubSpot provides far more comprehensive tools for customer relationship management and email marketing. But I've got something even better coming up in a minute. Let's talk about alternatives. While LearnWorlds and HubSpot work fine together, I've found a few other platforms that do a better job of integrating course creation and automation all in one place. These alternatives are perfect for businesses who want to streamline their workflow without needing to jump between different tools. Plus, I've got exclusive extended free trials to these platforms for you through our link, meaning you get the best deal just for watching this video. You can get started today with these alternatives, and I'll be sure to link everything below. If you're ready to automate your workflows with the best platforms out there, don't forget to check the link for your exclusive extended free trial. Trust me, you'll get far more value from these alternatives than LearnWorlds and HubSpot combined. So, there you have it, an easy setup for LearnWorlds and HubSpot integration. But remember, the alternatives I mentioned earlier could be your game changer. Click the link to explore and get the best trial deals.